So I'm here with another video. Everybody's asleep in the house, so I gotta kind of like keep it low. Anyway, I'm here with a Nature Box unboxing, and I don't know what you want to call this, but anyway, I heard about Nature Box and I decided to give it a try. Apparently it is, I don't know if it's all organic or not, but I don't know, let's see what it looks like. Ooh. So anyway, when you open it, it looks like this. Food should be fun, nourishing, vibrant, and most of all, delicious. And I guess welcome to Nature Box, because this is like the sampler pack. And then it shows you all kinds of like ways to add a look at your pantry and add a box, excuse me. It comes with 5 full-size snacks, and I think it's organic, I'm not sure though. Anyway, so this is what it looks like, and yeah, so it has, this one is a full-sized, and then there's 4 small trial-sized snacks, so yeah. So basically how this works is Nature Box is a monthly, obviously like I said before, a monthly subscription box, and I think there's different ones. I'm not really sure if there is more or not. I have to go back on the website and check. But you pay a monthly fee, and they send to you every month of delicious, I guess apparently as I say delicious, but we'll see, of snacks, 5 full snacks, and yeah, you can choose to cancel or you can order. This is the trial size or sample or box, whatever it's called. And I just paid $2 for this one. So if you guys, strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. Let's see. Not bad. Nice. That's good. So yeah, that was strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. I actually like that combination. It's sweet with like a taste of saltiness, so for me that's perfect. I like salty, I like sweet, so for it to be mixed together, perfect. The Nature Box Sea Salt Sunny Crunch Sunflower and Sesame Seeded Crackers. Let's see. It's weird. Oh, like that. These are okay. They have kind of like a dull taste to it. You can definitely taste the sunflower in it though. Like I used to. Next is the jalapeno cashews. Jalapeno flavored cashews, I guess so. Ah, there it is. Yeah, so I was like, you can't really taste the jalapeno on it, because once you open the package, you can just smell jalapeno like rushing at you. But this, it only has like a bit of spiciness, but you can definitely, the cashew will kind of over. Next is the Parmesan and garlic pop pops. Parmesan garlic popcorn kernels. Anyway, I like them. They're like, I don't know what they did with this, but the kernels, you can actually eat it. It's good though. Uh-oh. This is cranberry medley. pomegranate and acai flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. Do you guys say acai or acai? I don't really know how to pronounce it properly. Maybe it's just one of those words, like, you know how caramel, like that. I don't know. Alright, well. Let's see. I'm not really a big fan of cranberries, but oh, acai berries are in there too. This one, and then cranberries. Might as well say these together. I'm definitely gonna have to go in and change some of my snacks and